Hi, welcome back to my channel. And this is Kawasaki 1982 Kawasaki LTD1000 for sale. I have 5 of them. 2 are operational. The only problem now is they just need new batteries. And as of now, it's being maintained by a battery tender. And the 2 operational, the first one is has a 20,000 kilometers on it. This one here just need some like I said, a new battery, and this is the second one with 71,000 kilometers. We're selling it for 2,500. The first one with 20,000 kilometers, we're selling it for 5,000 or best offer. We prefer to sell the whole package for these 5 bikes for $8,000 or best offer, and pick up only in Hamilton area. Those 3 non-operational bikes, they're all the same models. You can use them as your spare parts. We could sell it probably individually for a certain amount, maybe $1,000 each. If you're interested, please send text or private message only. Please no phone calls, and pick up only in Hamilton area. Thank you so much.